Who is it?
It's his sister.
Oh. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you stop for me?
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Okay, hold on. We're being...
It's right there in her pocket.
What's going on?
It's an item she concealed over there in the inside.
Okay. What do you have in your pocket?
What's in this pocket over there?
I don't have anything in my pocket.
Some sticking out of there now.
Can I just go, please? Like, get back to you guys?
Move it past that. Come on, let's go.
What happens when a shoplifter thinks they're slick enough to walk out of Target with more than just snacks? Spoiler, it's not just the electronics they're charged for. Watch as denial turns into full-on drama as our expert thief tries every excuse in the book, only to realize consequences are coming fast. Will she talk her way out? Or will this be the most chaotic day in Target loss prevention history?
Who is it?
It's his sister.
Oh. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you stop for me?
Yeah, I don't have anything.
Okay, hold on. We're being...
It's right there in her pocket.
What's going on?
It's an item she concealed over there in the inside.
Okay. What do you have in your pocket?
Nothing.
Okay. Can we go ahead and talk inside real quick?
No, why? This is
Well, you're being
embarrassing.
detained for shoplifting right now.
But I'm not shoplifting.
Okay. Well, loss prevention witnessed you conceal an item and place an item in your pocket. So that's what we're dealing with right now.
This is like fucking harassment, man.
You can come right over here. I'm gonna have you speak with this officer right here. What is it that she concealed?
Portable charger from electronics, and then she also had a pair of lighters
Okay. And you said it's in her...
in their pocket right here. You can see
Oh.
that right down the side.
Okay. Would you mind getting us a receipt for that?
Yeah, remember it.
Thank you.
What's in the other pocket?
And they also said some lighters. Did you conceal some lighters in your pockets?
No, I was
as well?
going to, but I just...
You just said you took a lighter.
I
What's in this pocket over here?
don't have anything in my pocket.
Some sticking out of there now.
Shit that I
In
found.
your pants as well.
What's that?
Please, like, get back to you guys?
Move it past that. Come on, let's go.
I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
What else is you guys got it? Thank you. Gotcha, sorry. Oh, there's the lighters. Sandwich. And the backpack.
Did she pay for a sandwich? No? Okay. Nothing?
Go, baby.
You want me to take your stuff?
My driver's license number.
Do you remember the notes?
Okay.
Do you walk it or drive?
I want.
Whose keys are those?
The ones in your bag?
The ones I can see right there hanging. It looks like it's all in a port or something.
It's from my old car.
Your old car
Yeah.
looks awful new to me.
Yeah, it was a 2023 Chevy Trailblazer. That's what I did when I started using it.
How long ago was that? About a year ago. What's your last name? What is it? Marcus.
Tyler.
And then, oh, this one. First name?
Natasha.
M-A-T.
Yeah. And she has a foot.
What's your first name?
I'll get it from.
What is it? Where's the foil at? Right there. Oh, the burnt one. What's a good address for you?
Were you the one that said?
Oh, no,
What's
it's
the
just
number for that cell phone?
you want to go get a receipt for it.
Have you ever been arrested?
Yes.
When was the last time you were arrested?
A few months ago, for concealing my identity. I thought I had a warrant and didn't have a warrant.
You're gonna have warrants for that.
So that I know you already had before, like, if you do have a warrant, and take you in, we're not gonna find anything on your person, it's gonna get you in more trouble. Got a receipt in your hand, you have the white paper.
Not for anything I have right now.
What?
Not for anything I have right now.
Oh, okay. So you didn't pay for the straws?
I forgot I have it.
Anything else we forgot about? Set up front of books.
How do you want me to go take it over there?
If I didn't have a warrant, you guys wouldn't take me in or what?
Technically, I can take you to jail regardless.
I know.
We were gonna have that conversation, but you stand up for me, okay?
Hold on.
This way?
Wait, can I have my vape one more time? You guys didn't throw it. See, you didn't throw it. No, please.
Okay, well, city ordinance prevents that.
Don't resist, you're just gonna answer your problem, okay?
Like, why?
Pick up some existing charge now.
You don't need to answer that. You don't need to answer that.
Once again, man, is there anything that your person's in a cuff phone that causes bodily harm?
No, I just wanted to have my fucking vape one more time.
We're gonna shoot that baby.
61.
Nice. Actually kind of cool.
Is there anything tucked anywhere?
No.
No.
Where's your kids?
We're all parked.
Yeah, but
Everyone park.
I could go run and get mine real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, logging it. I should bring him up with you.